Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to recover a deleted Google Calendar event. If we accidentally remove an important event, there is no need to worry. We can restore it quickly with just a few simple steps. On the Google Calendar dashboard, if we accidentally delete an event and want to restore it, we just need to click the settings icon in the upper right corner and go to the trash. Here, we can see a list of deleted events. For example, the April 16th event. To restore it, we simply click the arrow next to Restore to bring the event back, or choose Restore All Selected if there are multiple events to recover. We just pick the option that works best for us. Once we click Restore, the event will be added back to our Google Calendar. That is all it takes. We can recover a deleted Google Calendar event and keep our schedule on track.